Hello everybody and welcome to Classic Arcade Repairs, and yes, I did rebrand the name. I wanted something, I'll tell you, when I first started uploading videos and stuff, I didn't know what to call my channel, so I just made up Arcade Doc. At this point, it doesn't seem proper. You know, I think I want something a little more professional sounding maybe, so I thought Classic Arcade Repairs sounded really good. So that's the story behind that. It's just a simple, it sounds better, it's a little more catchy, I think, and more to the point of what my channel is all about. That being said, I have here a box. This is an unboxing video. And by the way, I hope you liked the new intro, because I really like it. I think it's really cool. But yeah, leave me some comments if you guys, what do you think of the intro? You like it? I like it. I like the 80s look of it, the kind of Tron look of it. It's really cool. This was sent to me from New Mexico after my Matsushita monitor repair stuff, however you say that. This box was sent to me, and out of the goodness of someone's heart, just seen the video and said, hey, I got this stuff I'll never use. If you want it, you can have it. And I was like, okay. I opened this up and I took a peek in it, but I have not gone through this box. So we're going to do that today. And this comes from one of my subscribers in New Mexico. I won't give his name because I didn't tell him I was doing this. So, but I think this is absolutely awesome, and this is why I love this hobby. Some of the coolest, nicest people are in the arcade business. Collectors, you know, stuff like that. Just good people. Someone sent me this. You know, it's amazing to me. So let me do this. Let's do this a little bit, okay. And let's see what we got here. Looks like, I think it is the Atari Matsushita stuff. It's heavy with that stuff. It's monitor parts, yoke. This looks like everything but the tube. Nice clean chassis, yoke, tube, degaussing coil. Cool. Let's do this. Okay. This is just monitor frame stuff. Another nice and clean. Look at that. Another clean chassis. I mean, this one is nice and clean. Another chassis. This one is not so clean, but it's a chassis nonetheless. And another degaussing coil. And yeah, there's the neck. There's your neck board. So that's 3 of these chassis. And some there's another yoke with rings. And I saw another loose rings. More rings in here. Here's another set of rings. Clamp. This clamp goes here, I think. Yeah, it goes there. And then just some chassis parts. It's just the frames, the monitor frame parts. So everything but the tube, basically. I got 3 monitors minus the tubes. So, I mean, that's awesome. I've got tubes, remember? How awesome is that? I really, really appreciate that. 3 Atari Matsushita. I know I'm probably not saying that right, but guys, that's all I'm saying. But that's it. I mean, how awesome is that? Grab this guy. Yep, 3 complete chassis, and they don't look broke to me, which is awesome. This is all the just monitor chassis part, you know, frame parts. Looks like there's 3 complete in there. Looks like it's 3 complete monitors except for the tube. Put these guys back in here. So I think what I will do with this stuff is I'll just box it back up. I'll put this back in there and put these back in here as good as I can and just have them boxed up. One day I'll need these. I'm kind of a hoarder. I don't get rid of anything. So, but how nice is that of someone to do that, to ship me this? You know, it's just kind of blows me away, to be honest. Kind of speechless. But just know that I appreciate it. I think it's awesome, and you're a hell of a guy. Alright guys, that's it for this one. We'll see you when we get back to the repair videos. And unfortunately, my Pac-Man cocktail table took a crap. So, I'm going to have to fix my Pac-Man board. Yeah. Alright, we will see yous.